Now, you know when you go to a pub and you order a delicious pint of Guinness and they pour it so well that you can actually write your initials in the head of the beer? Well, I can do a similar trick with the armrest in my Stag, which is not something to be proud of, obviously.
And this is it. As you can see, this thing has become very, very, very easy to mark. Just the slightest rubbing will leave lines on it, and you could write a decent paragraph on it if you were really bored one day. What's causing this is more than likely 18 years of dust. Dust and particles that were trapped under the mesh-like fabric and don't get sucked up with the vacuum cleaner doing its annual clean. So today, I'm going to give it a bath. It's a simple process of removing the many screws under it, popping the lid off, and getting a closer look. Outside of the car, it looks even worse. Now, given that it's just material that is stretched out and glued into place without too much tricky upholstery, if by some chance my sink bath ruins anything or causes the glue to dissolve or something tears, replacing the material shouldn't be too much of a task. And here's a quick mock-up job with a spare t-shirt. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Maybe an idea for later. Now, as much as the lid would probably prefer a hot Radox bath, I'm using some washing machine powder. This turned my car mats from rough to ready to go in no time, so I'm hoping for similar results this time around. So, in the lid goes to soak for a bit before rinsing and squeezing the soapy water out, and then it's off to dry off in the Queensland winter sun. Now, given how thin the material is, it doesn't take too long to dry at all. A quick scratch test does still give us some faint lines, but nothing as nearly as bad as it was originally. And it smells clean too, that's a bonus. So now it goes back in the car, screwed in, and looking the goods. I suppose this means I have to clean the rest of the wagon soon. But, yeah, that can wait.